1981 Pontiac Firebird Formula Turbo. Price: $19,750. Location: Iowa, USA. The 1981 Pontiac Firebird Formula Turbo represents one of the final chapters of the classic American muscle car era before the high-performance revolution of the late 1980s. Finished in an elegant dark charcoal metallic exterior with a sleek black interior, this well-preserved Firebird has traveled just 79,382 miles, making it an exciting opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts alike. It perfectly captures the bold styling, V8 power, and unmistakable personality that made Pontiac one of America's most respected performance brands. The first thing you'll notice is its aggressive appearance. The sculpted hood, aerodynamic body lines, rear spoiler, Rally II style wheels, quad headlights, and signature quad exhaust outlets give this Firebird an unmistakable road presence. Even parked, it looks fast. Every angle reflects Pontiac's commitment to building a car that stood out from ordinary sports coupes, combining muscular proportions with timeless styling that still attracts attention. More than 4 decades later, the real excitement begins under the hood. Power comes from a legendary V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, creating the perfect combination of effortless cruising and classic muscle car performance. Equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor, power steering, and 4-wheel disc brakes, this Firebird delivers a confident driving experience while maintaining the unmistakable sound that every American V8 fan loves. Whether you're taking it on weekend drives, local cruises, or classic car events, every mile reminds you why the Firebird remains an icon. The cabin is equally impressive, offering a comfortable black interior designed around the driver. Bucket seats provide excellent support, while the center console, sporty 3-spoke steering wheel, air conditioning, dual exterior mirrors, glove compartment, and upgraded Kenwood audio system blend classic design with everyday usability. The interior remains clean and inviting, allowing drivers to enjoy both nostalgia and comfort during every journey. Another major highlight is its excellent documentation and mechanical condition. The vehicle comes with a clean Carfax report, providing additional confidence for prospective buyers. It also includes the original jack and a full-size spare tire stored neatly in the trunk, showing that this Firebird has been carefully maintained over the years. These details make a significant difference when evaluating a classic American muscle car. The 1981 Pontiac Firebird Formula Turbo isn't just another vintage automobile, it's a piece of American automotive history. As classic Pontiac models continue to gain appreciation among collectors, examples with low mileage, desirable colors, clean history, and solid mechanical condition become increasingly difficult to find.